What's up, 803 Whip Games? It's your boy, and I'm back with another video. We're up here at Spooner's Pro Shop, day 2 on Project Monte Carlo SS. Getting the frame notch, getting everything situated. Trying to get y'all a better look. Y'all can see. Getting it right. Taking a couple spots. Make sure it's good. And he'll go back in and get on buttoned up. Y'all see, Project SS. Nothing major, a little small block. For 30. I'm about to get these headlights installed. We're gonna get these in. I just picked up some new valve covers for it. I'm gonna get that swapped out soon. He's got this other third light in. This bottom row light here, parking light. Gotta get that one out. Oh no, that one's in. I gotta get it bolted down and situated in the right spot. I was having some issues on that side. But we about to get these headlights out. Get the new ones in. Give y'all a little test it out for y'all. Let me set this camera down. I get it tested out. Let y'all see how they gonna look. They're gonna give off there. Yeah. So we're gonna get them installed. Yeah, I know a little something too. We're gonna get them installed. And I'll just give y'all the update. Once we get the headlights in, get the bottom lights in, I'm gonna go pick up some LED bulbs for the lower lights and the side marker lights. And y'all know, man, it's just we're gonna get everything together, man. She coming on along. Y'all see what we got going on. That's the before. Y'all see it, man. All chopped up. All chopped up. My boy gonna get me right, though. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. So man, y'all stay tuned, man, on Project Monte Carlo SS. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Appreciate everybody who been rocking with me. We on the road to 5K. So, you know, tell a friend to tell a friend, man. It's your boy. We out. Ready?
Waiting on my reset button.
Oh.
Ready?
Ready? We got him in, y'all. Well, Frog got him in.
That's all you get.